Yes, so last but not least, we have
Uh,
our intern presentations. So our presentations are going to be about what our interns learned throughout their 2021 summer intern program. So first we have Eric, who interned at the Cook County Treasurer's Office. So Eric, if you could share your screen and presentation.
Sure, got it. Just a brief introduction. Again, I'm Eric Fay. This summer, I interned at the Cook County Treasurer's Office. And yeah, let me share my screen real quick. Okay, so again, I interned at the Cook County Treasurer's Office this summer, and this is my presentation. So this is just a brief overview of the topics that I'm going to be covering. We're going to start off, obviously, with the introduction, so let's jump right into it. So just a brief description of the location. The Cook County Treasurer's Office is located in downtown Chicago. Specifically in the office, I worked in the information technology or IT department, and they also helped out at the front desk. In addition to this, I also volunteered at the Chinatown Fair outreach event. The duration of this internship was from July 1st to August 1st of 2021. And a brief overview of what the Treasurer's Office does. It administrates property taxes within the Cook County area. And the department that I worked under, which is the IT department, it handled the software and hardware relating to the computer systems within the office to make sure everything was running properly. I was supervised by and I worked directly with the Treasurer's staff and the information technology team. So inside of the IT department, there was a few things I learned specifically regarding system architecture. We got to take a look at the county servers that they use to maintain the websites for public use. It maintained the intranet, which is what is used within the office, and also the public websites, which are available for use for any citizen of the county. And a couple concepts you learned are like load balancing and failover, how they handled redundancy if anything like bad happened to the server. So moving on, another one of my tasks was in regards to equipment setup. So we cataloged the equipment within the office, such as the printers, copiers, or computers. And with the help of our supervisors, we also installed virtual machines on our computers. And lastly, for my duties in the IT department, this is computer maintenance. In addition to cataloging the equipment, I also disassembled computers, server towers, so I got to see how they worked on the inside. I also helped organize the storage room, and I got a bit of .NET training, so .NET is the tool that they use to run their website and everything. And I was able to work with one of the software engineers who maintained this to see exactly how we were able to keep this running. So in addition to my work in the IT department, I was also able to get a look at how the office worked as a whole, specifically in regards to how it interacted with the actual residents of the community. To this end, I worked in the customer service area of the office. And in this regards, I was helping process letter requests from citizens, and I also worked at the front desk. So some of the letters would, for example, have name change requests, which is changing the name on a property ID. So I would help process this with the tools available to the county. At the front desk, I was talking with customers, I was answering their questions, and also completing the requests there with the help of my supervisors. And lastly, I was able to participate in a community outreach event that was hosted by the Treasurer's Office. So this took place in the Chicago Chinatown Summer Fair outreach event, which took place from July 31st to August 1st of 2021. Essentially, the Treasurer's Office set up a booth there, and myself and the other intern, Lewis, who worked at this location, we helped set up the booth. We assisted taxpayers with their inquiries, and we also handed out brochures and engaged with the community members. The picture to the right, you can see myself and Lewis who are standing in front of the gate that leads down an avenue in Chinatown. And then to the left, you can see a picture of myself, Lewis, and our supervisors in front of the booth that we were running. And so here are just some helpful links. The first one leads to the UCA Illinois chapter webpage. The second one goes to the Cook County Treasurer's Office webpage. And the last link is just a little tool you can check out to see if you have any unclaimed tax refunds, so you can maybe get a little bit of money back. So I'd like to say thank you, first of all, to Ms. Lee and UCA as a whole for hosting this internship program. And I'd also like to thank my coworkers and supervisors at the Cook County Treasurer's Office for allowing me to intern there. It was really a wonderful experience this summer that I was able to participate in. And given the chance in the future, I would definitely participate in a similar event as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Eric. Your presentation was very insightful, and I hope you enjoyed your internship.